Hi everyone, my name is Zanzebek, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn any live photo from your iPhone into a GIF or a GIF, whatever.
Guess who's back?
You can turn any live photo into a GIF with a single app. Just take a live photo, just make sure the live photo option is on. Just a bonus tip, you can determine the live effect, and I personally like the bounce because it's something like an Instagram boomerang, so we have that set up. Now when we go to motion stills app, and by the way it was made by Google, your latest live photos will appear straight when you open the app, and that's it. It's ready to export. You just press the arrow, save it as a GIF, and when you save it as a GIF, go back to your camera roll, tap on options, copy the photo, go back to your Instagram story, paste it, adjust it, and post it. Okay, thank you for watching this quick video. I hope you learned something, and consider subscribing because I'm gonna post a lot this year, and see you in the next video.